Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Akash and in this video I'll be showing you how to play C major scale on guitar. So if you are playing guitar but you don't know your C major scale, this lesson is for you. So now without wasting any time, let's get started. So first I'm gonna play and then I'm gonna show you how to play this one. Okay, so now look at the tab and follow me. So we'll play slowly. 5th string 3rd fret, then D string open, then D string 2nd fret, then D string 3rd fret, then G string open, then G string 2nd fret, then B string open and B string 1st fret. So here the basic rule is you have to use the same finger as the number of fret. For example, this is fret number 3, so you need to use your 3rd finger. Okay? Open, then this is 2nd fret, you need to use your 2nd finger, then so on. So now how to practice this scale. So first you play slowly until you get comfortable. Now try to come back. So now once you're done playing this, so from your right hand, you can do down, up. Okay, so down, the second note gonna up, then down, then up, then down, up, then down, up. Okay. So for now, practice this, and in the next video, I'll be showing you one C major hack that will really help you to make some music out of this C major scale. So I'll see you in the next video. So guys, that's it from today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed playing C major scale, and I'll be uploading more guitar lessons on this channel. So I'll be really happy if you just subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.